Galing. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. Once again, welcome back to my code nyo ato, Mr. Falmar Flores. I'm doing a reaction video, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Panibagong yugto naman guys ng Tawag ng Tanghalan ngayong season na to. So nagbabalik ang grand finalist guys para maglaban ulit sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Excited na ako guys na gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys din yung experience ko sa pagpanunood dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan guys, kasi nga matagal na akong hindi nakapag-upload ng videos. At the same time, ang hirap guys magkaroon ng time. Bakit? Kasi nga nasa isang dorm kami at nahirapan ako maghanap ng space na para magkaroon ng reaction video. At guys, salamat din para sa mga nanonood sa aking mga na-upload sa YouTube channel guys, no? Sa mga na-share kong mga lugar dito sa Taiwan. You know, I'm amazed talaga guys sa lugar dito. I hope na magkita-kits tayo dito. I hope na mag-work din kayo sa Taiwan guys, kasi sobrang safety, sobrang ganda ng opportunity guys to be here. So again guys, huwag natin patagalin yung ating reaction video. I hope na panoorin nyo guys yung ating reaction video for today's vlog. Diba? Thank you so much guys for watching. Let's do this reaction video.
This love has taken its own on me. She said goodbye
Ibang
too many
rendition.
times before.
Oh.
Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no
Kaya namin
choice.
pag-asa dito guys para maka 1 point yung si Marco dito sa team nila guys na.
I was so high, did not recognize the fire burning in my eyes,
Galing.
the chaos that controlled my mind. Whisper goodbye, but she got on a plane, never to return again, but always in my heart.
Oh!
This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. It makes sure everything's alright.
Ay, ang galing.
My precious
So yun yung rendition. Nice.
sinking my fingertips, every inch of you, 'cause I know that what you want me to do. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore.
Ang galing. Oh! Sarap. Sumira yung boses, pero ang galing. Angkat agima.
And I won't say goodbye anymore.
Wow! Ang galing guys, ang gadaming support system ni Marco Rubio sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Feeling ko isa din sa factor guys na marami siyang supporters, no? Kasi parang nagbo-boost din kasi yung confident pag nagpe-perform ka on stage. Ang ganda ng kanyang performance dito. Feeling ko binigay niya yung best niya dito guys para sa kanyang pangkat. Kasi wala pang silang points dito this time. Feeling ko din siya yung mag-aangat sa kanilang pangkat, no? Kasi pati si Jessa, actually, she's my favorite also, but nahihirapan din talaga siyang iangat yung kanilang team kasi ang dami ding mga galing talagang singer. Grabe, iba tong rest back na to. Parang, hindi pala rest back, grand rest back pala ang tawag nito. Parang ang hirap mamili kasi yung mga idol natin sa tanghalan nandito. Kayo na lang ang humusga, no? Kasi based on my opinion kasi, Marco Rubio is one of my favorite dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. And up until now, talagang nagbo-boost, parang nagbibigay pa rin siya ng power sa kanyang song choice. Tsaka parang nandun yung eagerness talaga niya to win this competition talaga, guys. So ayun na, this is my opinion and I hope guys na nagustuhan nyo yung ating pinanood ngayong videos, and make sure guys to subscribe, like, comment down below. Once again, this is Farmer Flores. I'm doing a reaction video. Thank you so much.